Have we been duped to believe that chamois are actually harmful and that they're a harmful way to clean your car? In this video, I'm going to show you who and how a chamois may be most effective for, and then maybe who it wouldn't be ideal for, but there's definitely a place still in the car wash and detailing space for a chamois. So back when I first started detailing cars, these were actually the type of chamois that I would use. They come in a nice carrying case, and so you can store it back in this case. And unlike traditional chamois that dry out and then get really hard, they want this one to stay damp. One thing that you want to make sure you're doing if you're actually using it a lot, and this is why it's cool that it comes in a carrying case, is that you're rinsing it out often. So where chamois are really good was when I had the local police station account and we were just blowing through stuff. I had fleet cars where people aren't particularly worried about the condition of the paint, and I need to blow through those cars fast. The chamois is perfect for that, because if I didn't have a chamois, I'd have like a gazillion drying towels, right? You can see at 25 by 34, this is a little bit smaller than like a Griot PFM towel. It's more about the size of a auto fiber dreadnought towel, but the benefits outweigh towels in a lot of circumstances. If you're tired of using a ton of towels and you just want something that will dry the car quickly and effectively and efficiently, the chamois is definitely the way to go, especially if you have a lot of cars to do. Now, it's grabby and sticky and it makes it feel awkward, but that's because it's absorbing all that water. You can fold it down, you can make sure you have a dry side. You really don't need to apply any pressure. It is gonna leave a little bit of water behind, but that's okay. You just come back with a quick detail spray or whatever. So you can get a lot of the same results you do with those big drying towels with a chamois. Once your microfiber towel becomes wet, especially during times like we're in right now, winter time, that towel stays wet forever. So if you're a mobile detailer doing, 10 or 15, 20 cars a day like I used to do, you would literally have to have a ton of those towels. And so I always had a chamois around because I'm doing fleet cars. So doing fleet cars, you can just dry them and then you can wring the thing out and then you're good to go to the next car. You don't have to worry about having a ton of towels and then it's winter and the towels aren't drying. And so a chamois is get it done quickly. And same rules apply. I mean, you don't want to be stupid with the chamois, right? You want to be smart about it. So we're working in straight motions. We're trying not to recontaminate the surface. But if you see my other video where I actually use Super Clean and an APC to clean the car, you will see that the surface is way cleaner if you do two things. You don't pre-rinse, and then you use either a strip soap or a APC. And then you're really gonna have no dirt left on the surface. And that is true, as you see the chamois, we've been drying it and there's no dirt on the chamois at all. So this brand, Mighty Cleaner, has a bunch of different size chamois, and again, it comes in this really cool reusable storage container so that you can help not get the chamois contaminated. But again, in the right hands, in the right situation, I don't think that there's any way to replace a chamois. So again, you're doing fleet cars, you're doing a ton of cars, this may be a good solution for you so that you don't have a ton of towels laying around. Again, I would take some precautions of rinsing it out every, probably every car, or if you notice that you come across some contamination, the chamois starts to get dirty, definitely rinse it out, and that's what you can do. You can rinse it with dish soap, you could rinse it with an all-purpose cleaner, you could rinse it with regular car wash soap and get it clean again. But in the very specific situations, I don't think there's anything that could outdo a chamois. So hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope, again, it gained some insight on how you can actually use different tools that we've thought are kind of antiquated or we don't use anymore, and they actually do serve a really good purpose. So hope you guys enjoyed that one, and I'll catch you on the next video. See ya.